Looking for a powerful cordless screwdriver but confused by all the options? Weak torque, short battery life, and cheap motors can ruin even simple DIY tasks. Today, I'm reviewing the top 5 best cordless screwdrivers of 2025, strong, reliable, and perfect for home repairs, automotive work, and daily use. Many people buy low-power screwdrivers that can't tighten tough screws or drill into harder surfaces. Some models overheat quickly, have slow charging, or don't last long. And compatibility with batteries becomes another big issue. Choosing the right cordless screwdriver for DIY, construction, or car repair can feel overwhelming. This is where a good cordless screwdriver shines. Powerful brushless motors, strong torque, long-lasting lithium batteries, and portable designs make these tools perfect for home, workshop, and automotive repairs. In this video, we'll look at the top 5 models that combine performance, durability, and convenience. Number 5. PATUOPRO 10mm Cordless Brushless Drill. The PATUOPRO 10mm drill features a strong brushless motor with 2-speed control for versatility. It's designed for users who already own Makita 18V batteries, making it a cost-saving option. The metal chuck provides durability, and it's perfect for drilling, tightening screws, and general home DIY work. Lightweight but powerful, this tool is ideal for beginners and hobbyists. Number 4. Worx WX240-24V Smart Cordless Screwdriver. The Worx WX240-2 is a compact electric screwdriver with smart torque control, USB charging, and a comfortable grip. It comes with a complete 30-piece bit set, making it perfect for electronics, home repairs, furniture assembly, and general use. The 4V power is ideal for everyday tasks, and the lightweight design makes it easy to handle even for beginners. Number 3. LYUWO 16.8V Brushless Electric Drill. The LYUWO 16.8V cordless drill delivers 35 Nm torque, making it powerful enough for drilling wood, metal, and plastic. The brushless motor improves efficiency and reduces heat. With its lithium battery, comfortable grip, and included accessories, it's a great choice for homeowners who need a reliable tool for daily repairs and DIY projects. Number 2. Makita DDF487 Brushless Driver. The Makita DDF487 is a professional-grade brushless driver compatible with Makita 18V batteries. It's durable, powerful, and ideal for drilling and driving screws in tougher materials. Known for reliability and long lifespan, this model is suitable for construction workers, DIY professionals, or anyone needing heavy-duty performance. Its compact design makes it easy to use even in tight spaces. Number 1. Milwaukee 18V Brushless Cordless Screwdriver. This model, compatible with Milwaukee 18V batteries, is a powerful brushless impact screwdriver and drill. It's perfect for car and truck repair, heavy fastening, and demanding tasks. With strong impact force, reliable torque, and sturdy construction, this tool stands out as the best choice for professionals and mechanics. Whether you're working on vehicles or tough materials, this is the top-performing cordless screwdriver on the list. If you need power, convenience, and reliability, cordless screwdrivers are the best solution. These 5 models offer excellent performance, long battery life, and strong motors for all types of tasks, from home repairs to automotive work. Which cordless screwdriver do you like the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews. Check the description for product links and details. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tools and tech.